Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the control center, which is this menu on your iPhone. You can do this by pulling it down here or pulling it up on a phone with the home button. But by default, it should already be there for you. But if it's not, this is something you want to turn on. First thing is go into your setting of your iPhone. From there on, go to control center and ensure that this is toggled to green to be turned on. If I turn this off and I try to pull down, as you can see here, I don't get the control center any longer. So we need to turn that on just like that to get the ability to have the control center on our iPhone just like that. You also want to do this one if you want to access it from your home controls as well. And then you can add these controls besides the default one as well on your iPhone. As you can see here, the default ones are these that are listed here, and you can add more by clicking on the plus icon, right? If you want a specific one, if I add the green one, you can add another one. As you can see here, I turned one for low battery on, and then if you want to remove one, you click on that minus and then click on remove. It will remove it. But that's how you turn on the control center on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.